Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Glue data cataloging for ETL pipelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable AWS Glue data cataloging for ETL pipelines, start by accessing the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Glue service from the console homepage. Once in the AWS Glue dashboard, locate the Data Catalog section. Click on Databases to create a new database for your ETL pipeline. Select Add Database to open the configuration form. Enter a name and description for your new database, then click Create. Next, head back to the Glue dashboard and select Crawlers from the menu. Click on Add Crawler to start the crawler setup process. Provide a name for your crawler and, optionally, a description. In the next step, choose the data source for your ETL pipeline. This could be an S3 bucket or other data repositories. Specify the IAM role that AWS Glue will use to access the data. Ensure this role has the necessary permissions for the chosen data source. Set up your crawler's output settings by selecting the previously created database. Now, configure the crawler's schedule to run on a specific frequency. You can choose to run it on demand or set a recurring schedule. Next, review the configuration summary and click Finish to create the crawler. To run the crawler, navigate back to the crawler's dashboard and select your newly created crawler. Click the Run Crawler button to initiate the data discovery process. After the crawler finishes, check the Tables section under the Data Catalog. Your crawled data sources should now be listed as tables in the database. Select any of these tables to view the schema and metadata information. With the Glue Data Catalog now set up, create or update your ETL jobs to utilize this cataloging feature. In the ETL job configuration, link your data sources and targets to the respective catalog tables. Configure any transformations needed for your ETL process as well. Finally, save and run your ETL job to test the integration with AWS Glue data cataloging. Monitor the job's execution for any issues and review the output to validate data transformations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.